So we are Schezeen, Ben, and Abishek, and this is CoRe. CoRe stands for Course Refiner, and it allows you to find the best core alternatives at a cheaper price. What CoRe does is it queries courses from Udemy and Udacity, and also helps find similar courses available on YouTube for free of cost. The problem that we identified with accessibility to CS education was that not everyone comes from the same financial background, and finances often play a big role into the access to CS education that we can achieve. With CoRe, it allows you to find easier alternatives while ensuring that you get access to the same quality content. I would pass it over to Ben to explain the tech stack and the backend integration.
Yeah, so the backend of CoRe is written in Node.js and runs an Express.js endpoint, which the React frontend can query for different course information. When queried, the backend takes the key terms provided by the user in the search bar, and it reaches out to several APIs to get a bunch of educational computer science content from. The content includes free courses and YouTube videos, as well as low budget courses. The APIs, the app contacts, consists of the Google YouTube playlist endpoint for getting a series of playlists similar to the key terms entered by the user, Udemy's course catalog API, and Udacity's course catalog API. The results of these queries are bundled together and sent back to the user for them to view.
So the front end is written in React.js, and we integrated Stylex as an alternative option to incorporate CSS styles via JavaScript on the fly. So this gives us more options as to customizations and makes this app more verbose and responsive. In order to serve this app on a single port, what we did was to build the React.js component and use Express to serve these commits. The backend Node API is resolved in the form of promises. This gives us an overall web app that is responsible and does not take much time for the user to use it.
So one of the major roadblocks that we faced was to integrate Stylex. Stylex requires an additional layer of injection before which we can use the library using the Cracker .js integration. So that was challenging, but we managed to finally set it up and got it working in our project.
Yeah, difficulties on the back end mainly included of finding like documentation and spending a lot of time on researching all the different APIs for large course publishers. So for example, we initially wanted Coursera and edX to be one of our sources for searching for courses. It took a lot of time to research because a lot of these APIs are either unmaintained or undocumented. And that's pretty much mutually exclusive, could only find unmaintained documented APIs or undocumented available APIs. So it took a lot of trial and error to find some places that would work for our app. And we eventually landed with Udemy and Udacity.
So as stretch goals, we like to integrate much more features to the app, including sort by features as well as filters.
So this is a demo of our app, CoRe, Course Refiner. As a user, you can type in a topic you would like to learn, a computer science topic, and you'll get results from YouTube, Udemy, and Udacity. You can on these, open it in a new tab, and it'll bring you to YouTube video for that. And the same works for Udemy, and find a Udacity link here. And yeah, this is the demo of project.